this is the continuation of our video that I mentioned when we disassemble this headphone and we having problem on the left side. Now I am going to share it with you how I fix this one, and hopefully we can fix this because the voice coil or the speaker is open and doesn't have a sound. My tester set to ×1, and let me check. I already checked this before and there is no reading, but on this part it has a reading. As you heard that there is a sound, but here nothing. And I also already checked the wire, and the wire is okay. So now I am going to detach this wire so we can work here conveniently, or we can work here easily, because I don't want to damage the shell. So I need to remove this, and you have to focus on this part. And it seems that the adhesive is really difficult to remove. Okay, so while heating, I am going to apply. At this time I don't have any liquid, I only have lacquer thinner, and I am very careful on this one because lacquer thinner is so strong to damage the plastic. So I will just put small amount on this part, and then I am going to apply around on this adhesive part. I don't know if this speaker is available to purchase online. I haven't checked it before. I think our soldering iron is ready, and I'm going to detach this and let us see what is the connection. So this is the black side, this is the red side, and this one is yellow. Okay. Yellow is for the ground line, and the red side is for the positive line. Okay, and let me keep this aside and let us focus on this cap. I don't want to apply hot air on this because maybe the plastic inside the speaker will melt. It's really difficult to detach this, so I am going to insert this, and while lifting up I am going to put first thinner here. Acetone is, I think, much better, but I don't have it. Okay. I cannot force it because I saw the crack over here, so I don't want to damage more. Let me remove my needle and make a line here. I will make a line to absorb the thinner inside. And there's another crack here. Maybe the plastic is already brittle. Looks like an old unit. Guys, if you have acetone, please use acetone, don't use lacquer thinner, because lacquer thinners is so strong, and for sure it will damage the plastic. And yes, here it is. Wow. Oh wow, it's so difficult. At least we already take it out. And the wire is over here. I think I need our microscopic camera here, but let me see. We can now see the wire over here, and it seems that the connection over here is good, but the thing I cannot see from the inside because this part I cannot remove it. It's difficult to detach, but the wire I already checked, the wire is okay. Now I'm planning to remove this, the plastic, to be able to see inside what is the condition of the wire, and also over here because I cannot see it. So now I'm going to remove this plastic. I think the wire is okay. Let me check here. Yeah, I think it seems that the wire is okay. Yes, wire is okay. Why? Finally, we already detached the speaker from the shell, and we can now able to see the connection here. Okay, let's go to our camera. Ground line is connected here, so we have connection here. How about here? So we do not have connection over here, and let's move on the positive line. We have about here. Yes, we have here, but on this side we have here, but on this line, no, nothing. So the possible, maybe the solder part on this side is not good. We have open line here, but let me confirm that. I need to scratch this part to see. Wow. Oops. Now the wire cut over here. We lost the wire. So maybe the only problem is over here, but we lost the wire. Sorry. Okay guys, I found a good holder. This one is for the microchip holder IC. Okay, so let me check the continuity. We are going to put our analog tester to positive, and let's point on the negative here. We must hear the crackling sound. Yes, you heard that? There's a cracking sound. But it's gone. What happened? Again? Okay, so I heard only once. I thought we already got the loss correction or disconnected part, because I see the speaker moving. Maybe on the other side also the same. Okay, so let me take this out. Okay, let me scratch this part and check. Wow! Oh, yes. You see that, guys? It's moving. There's a scratching sound here, and we got two loose connection disconnected to the terminal, I think. Yes. So I am going to put wire over here and on the other side over here, and we do not have problem over here. And what you call this, the plastic, I'm going to return it back. Okay. The only mistake that I made is I didn't check first before the connection on this line, because I cannot remove it properly before. This one I cannot remove, it's difficult, so I decided to check here, but I think it's a mistake. But it's okay, no problem, we can return it back the cover here. But before I returning it back, I am going to put a wire, one for on this line and another one for this line. Okay guys, here we go. This is other line, and this is another line, and I can see here it's disconnected. Let me double check. Yes, this one. Okay, now I am going to put wire. Okay, we'll see what's happened. Yes, it's soldered. Yes, good. Now I am going to cut the existing wire, and let's move to another side. Okay, I forgot I have syringe here, the needle, nice needle. I'm going to use it right now, sorry. This is the syringe needle. Wow, so nice. Yes. And then we are going to solder that. think it's holding. Oh no, it's not. It's holding solid. And let me check the connection. If you heard the crackling sound, meaning our connection is good. So we do not have crackling sound here, meaning our connection is not good, or maybe okay, I saw the wire here, it's not connected. Still, and yes, let me check. Yes, we already soldered it properly and it's solid now. We check the continuity or the connection. If you heard the crackling sound, yes, wow, nice. And let me clean that after. We are going to test, final test. I'm going to cut the existing wire over here. Okay, let me check again before we go to the round plastic. Yes, okay. Now I am going to apply here UV curing adhesive. Oh, sorry guys, I cannot apply our UV light. Someone borrowed my UV light here. Oh my god. Shout out Paring Tom, where is my UV light? Okay, now I am going to use this glue. I'm going to apply the glue. Let's set in place the plastic. Well, let me check if we got the same connection. Good connection. Yes. Wow. Nice. This is the condition now of the speaker, and I think it's already dried. Yes, at least we made it to fix the speaker. That looks like no hope on this, but we made it and I'm happy for that. Okay guys, I think it's already dried. Yes, it's already dried. And you see how beautiful it is. I put glue and it looks nice. Okay, once again, let me check, and after this I am going to install it back and we'll test it with the audio. But before I install it back, let me check again. Sorry, you cannot hear it because it is face down. Wow, nice. Okay, now I am going to install it back to the case. Before we check this connector, if there is crackling sound, only one side with crackling sound, this one. Yes, this one, and this one no, but now yes, we have the same. And I am using my cell phone. Let us check the audio. Wow. Yeah, guys, see. Okay guys, so job is done. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell icon so that you will be updated on our next video. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless.